having so many students, and they are going to speak about here the one session. It is so fantastic, and I am going to record the session here, and it is going to be public speaking. So let's have a session here. If you like the video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and
a journey from person to personality. Hello everyone, it's me Vedant in front of you to share my journey of persona. The first day when I came to persona, I was very nervous because I didn't know how it will be and how it will be affect on my life. Then I come to persona, then I meet friends, I make friends, and firstly I was in mini basic, then Meenakshi ma'am taught me. Then after that half an hour taught by Meenakshi ma'am, then I promoted in basic class. Then I meet Bhushan sir, then I make also friends there. We enjoy in Bhushan sir's class. Then after that half an months we were promoted in hybrid class. Then we meet Sham sir, and we were taught in hybrid class. Then we were taught by Sham sir. Then we know about Sham sir. Then the summer camp was coming for. That's why the hybrid and advanced class was mixed. When after that we were taught by Ajay sir. Then we meet Ajay sir. Then we taught by Ajay sir. After that, after some time we celebrate Bhushan sir's birthday, and then Sham sir's birthday, and many of the occasions we celebrate. And in summer camp we also celebrate the summer camp then of last day, and we enjoy a lot in that day of last day. And we make many of the memories with our friends. And many of the friends has gone from persona, they have completed. Then we recently celebrated 26th of January, then Republic Day. Then I am today, and after that I don't know I will come or not. Thank you.
And one new initiative action is better than 34 years of repeated action. Hello everyone, I am Sanasha. Today I am here to speak about our new and great topic, New Education Policy 2020. This new education policy was proposed by Subramaniam and K. Kasturirangan committee. New education policy was improve ourselves, and the Union Cabinet of India approved this education system. NEP is a short form New Education Policy. The NEP 2020 is founded on 5 guiding pillars of access, equality, quality, flexibility, affordability. Its real purpose is to reduce classroom loads from students and make them more interdisciplinary and multilingual. New education policy is better than old education policy. New education policy has replaced the old education policy 1986. New education policy aims to make develop India.
Girls can do anything for our country. A very warm, pleasant good evening to everyone. It's me, Himanshi Meena, in front of you. Today I'm here to speak about Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was born on 19 November 1828. Her real name was Meena Kranti Lajpat. People also called her Meenu. She also known as the Queen of Jhansi. She fought with British to give freedom to our country. She is brave from childhood. She died on 20 June 1858. That's all from myself.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to speak on discipline. Discipline is the key to success. It is a vital part of our life. Discipline means following rules and regulations. It also builds character and self-control. It helps us to become responsible and punctual. Without discipline, we would not be able to achieve our goals and dreams. The first thing that every school teacher teaches is discipline. You can take example of our soldiers. Soldiers are the most disciplined people. Discipline is the most important when you are a student. That's all from myself.
Hello friends, it's me Zed. Before standing you for speaking a speech on technology. So listen to me carefully. Technology is very helpful us in our life, in our daily life. Technology has made sorry. Technology has made our life easier. All human beings depend entirely on technology. The one of the best example of technology is AI. Artificial intelligence work on NLP, natural language processing, data science, and machine learning. For example, Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. That was all about my speech. Thank you for listening.
A great social problem of 21st century when a child is forced to work as a labor. So good evening friends, it's Miss Aida in front of you, and today I am standing in front of you to speak about that thing which doesn't let children to be a good person. So do you know about that thing? Child labor. Today I am here to speak about child labor. The incident is called child labor. It destroys the childhood of our children and also their future is burned to the ashes. Sometimes children have to do work to support their family because of the poor conditions of their family. Child labor is not only damaging the future of our young ones but also of our nations because upcoming generations are determine the progress of a country. We all need to take a step against this terrible practice so our young generation can get their true rights. If you are seeing someone who is doing this type of things which is not good for them, so we should convey them. Thank you for listening me.
Good evening to one and all present here. It's me Navyans. Here I am speak about the Digital India. Digital India is a campaign which was launched by the Minister of India, Narendra Modi. On 1st July 2015, Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, Delhi. It was launched, presents various and industries like Tata Group, chairman of Tata Group, Cyrus Mistry, and the objective this campaign is the main campaign is this campaign is to increase the internet connectivity and reducing the tree product and save the time of people. Thank you.
Good evening to all of my friends. My name is Akshat Jaiswal and I am here to speak about cell phones. A device that is harming our curious brains. The first cell phone was introduced of that can that was able to call anyone from one country to another country. But the centuries pass and the research of cell phones success and they built Nokia. Nokia was able to call anyone from one side of earth from another side, and that has some applications. The but now phones are very harmful for our brains because we are getting lazy for by wasting our time on YouTube and Instagram. The cell phones are very useful for us if we avoid watching reels and vlogs. We can build our future and not we can build our future and we cannot waste our time in that things. That was all about of my speech.
Thanks for watching till the end, and if you like the video, so don't forget like, subscribe and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में फिर से.